Hi and welcome to my video on how to install QGIS 3.30 on Windows 10 Pro. Although even if you're running Windows 11 it should be pretty similar. If you're curious, I'm specifically running Windows 10 Pro 2004 and you can see my OS build and experience if that matters. I'm using Firefox, but this should be the same in any browser. You can either Google QGIS and click on the first link, which should be qgis.org, or you can just directly type in qgis.org and you'll be taken to the home page. And when you go to this website, you'll see download now version 3.30.3. Just click download now and you should see, if you're running Windows, download for Windows. If you're running Mac OS or Linux, you'll see those options pop up instead. So go ahead and click download QGIS 3.3.0. And if you're happy with the place where you've chosen to download, for example, for me it's the downloads folder, you can click save. And the download should begin at this point. So it might take a while. Here it says we have 1 hour left. So make sure to do this with your computer plugged in, and if you can, in a place with good internet. So with the magic of video editing, we'll now cut forward to the point where the download is complete. Alright, the first thing we're going to do once we've finished downloading is we are going to run the installer. So hold on while I change my screen. Okay, so now you're seeing my recording screen. Okay, so now in your downloads folder you should see the installer has been downloaded and you can run this installer. And the first thing the installer is going to do is decide if you have enough space on your computer to install QGIS. So it's decided I have enough space, so I can click next, accept the license agreement, next, next, and now I can click install. And when it starts to actually install, Windows will make a darker screen appear with a dialog box that will open up that asks if I'm sure I would like to install this software. And you should see that in a moment. Okay, so it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And the answer is yes. So now it will begin to actually install QGIS. Alright, once it's finished, you can click the finish button and it should add now an icon to your desktop that you can use to start up QGIS. So for me, there's a folder here, QGIS 3.303. You can also see I have an older version here, but for this workshop we're going to be using QGIS 3.30. And you should also be able to find it if you click on the Start menu, and you'll see there QGIS Desktop 3.30 under Recently Added, or if you scroll down to the letter Q, you'll also see a folder there, QGIS 3.30. And if you click on that icon, you will start QGIS 3.30. Thanks for watching the video.